Today I'll be showing you 4 eyeliner hacks that will transform your makeup nightmares into beautiful daydreams. I have a mixed relationship with kitchen appliances. Wait, that's a lie. I have no relationship with them. But I have found myself heading there for skincare and makeup hacks instead. Today I found myself a handy winged eyeliner stencil in the form of a spoon. First, start with the bottom flat end of the spoon to draw a straight line for your wing. Next, take the top of the spoon, the curved end, and use it to create the line that connects your wing. This method works great for complete beginners to create a delicate wing. Tape eyeliner isn't a revolutionary idea, but let's face it, this really works. The trick here is to use Scotch tape and use it on your hand a couple of times to reduce the adhesive. This will make sure your delicate eyelids aren't pulled apart in the process. Create a small wing using the tape as your stencil and fill it in with your eyeliner. It's just that simple. Take off the tape carefully and clean it up wherever you need to with your eyeliner. Sometimes that razor-sharp wing is just not everybody's style. If you enjoy a more soft and blurry aesthetic, this technique will be right up your alley. I start out by making a rough wing shape with a blendable pencil. Next, I use the blurring tool that comes with the pencil to soften the edges and smoke out this look a little bit without compromising on my wingy shape. You can also use a sponge shadow applicator for blurring it out. Next, I pack on a little bit of eyeshadow to get any unintentional smudging under control. This dreamy look can help your eyelids look long and foxy, much like the Instagram beauties we constantly see. In some cases, prevention is better than cure. But once the deed is done, cleaning up your eyeliner to the highest level of perfection may be the way to go. You will need your eyeliner, a Q-tip, and some oil-free makeup remover for this hack. Apply your eyeliner as you normally would. Let's forgive the smudginess here and bring in our savior, my Q-tip. The Q-tip is slightly damp with makeup remover. You'll end up taking off too much product if it's dripping wet. Now go along the wing and perfect it as you'd like. Your clean wing is ready. These eyeliner hacks have truly cut down so much time and makeup anxiety for me. I hope these work out just as well for you too. Let me know which method you'll try out, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.